I'm Nathan from Action Builders Hobart. Welcome to our latest extension in Sandy Bay. The clients came to us for this beautiful 1920s heritage house. They wanted to keep the charm but modernise it and give a luxe feel. The kitchen design and the material choices are what this home deserves, from the handle selections to the door and groove panelling finishes, including the stone tops. This kitchen has a real wow factor. Some of the challenges were trying to find a balance between a modern look and a heritage feel. An example of this was maintaining the ceiling roses whilst adding architectural lighting. One of the best features of this house is this fantastic bathroom, which will be the envy of anybody that sees it. At Action Builders, we specialise in extensions, renovations and heritage listed homes. Please check us out at actionbuilders.com.au.